Asugasiata.
Cookie and Milky.
Oh, let's go. He left. He left. Let's go. Oh, he's back. Let's go, you kid. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? What you gonna do about it? You're back? Oh, he wants his precious little grandma back. Here's Scam Wheat. Well, does even know how to pronounce his word. He has the aquatic base, so he's kind of rich. Here's Scam Wheat. What is he gonna do? Oh, he's gonna spawn Sammy. Wait, I don't want to see what he spawns. He's not gonna spawn anything. I'm admin? Yeah, nice try, bud. You are not admin. You are not admin. Spawn a dragon then. No, he's not gonna be able to spawn it. He cannot.
Dragon Cannelloni. Dragon Cannelloni.
No, mine, bud. Oh my god. Yo, he's actually real though. Well, let's go. No.
Dragon Cannelloni.
Whoa!
Dragon Cannelloni.
Smacked. Where's it, bruh? Nice try, buddy. Scammer, bud. I just got a dragon.
Dragon Cannelloni.
Oh, he spawned another one.
Dragon Cannelloni.
Alright, let's see if he buys this. You know what? I'm gonna pretend I don't even want it. So he's gonna go buy. He's buying it.
Dragon Cannelloni.
Yo, I'm gonna move now. No! He's on me. No. He's on me. I can't move now. He left. No, he left. I need him to join back in. He did.
Dragon Cannelloni.
I need to join back in, please. We left. He left. Oh, I got it. I'm gonna put friends on. I'm gonna go AFK, and if he joins me, we'll see if he actually. Guys, be quiet. He might notice. Guys, is he noticing? Guys, he's trying to steal. Whoa! Yo! What? What? That's what you get? No, bro, just don't steal this. I'm gonna prevent him from being as far away as where my cookie and cookies. No. No, he has his band hammer. Where are my cookie? No. No. Not that one. Please. Fine. Oh, thank you. We're still gonna keep him. Here, I'll slap you. Oh, he's not there. Okay. Oh no, he saw me. No! He blocked me. First he deleted 2 of my dragons, and now he stole my cookies and milk and skin. That's just great, guys. That's just amazing. I just love how I start crying. Oh, this might just be the end, because I just lost my cookies. I should have just let it get later. It lags though, like he leaves and then he turns back. It's not my fault. I have a dragon. Whatever. It's just whatever. Bye.